Hey there YouTube family, and welcome to another video. My name is Dan and I am the wannabe geek. I'm just an average guy with an above average interest in all things tech. However, today's video isn't so tech related other than the drone that has been flown. I wanted to share this experience while I was out walking and hiking on a mountain called Mt Walsh. That mountain, we were halfway up the mountain and took a break, got the drone up into the air and was actually starting to look at and zoom in on some other hikers on the mountain. As you can see on my flight map, you'll see that the drone all of a sudden turns sharp very quickly, and then as it's taking off, you'll see on the flight map even the disruption from the eagle hitting my drone at the same time, which is pretty amazing. I was so lucky that the drone didn't fall out of the sky. But look, you didn't come here to see me. Let's have a look at the footage properly. Let's take some still shots of the eagle. As each frame of the shot, you can see some really great shots, close-ups of this eagle. It's a Wedge Tailed Eagle here in Australia. This is in a place called Mt Walsh, south central Queensland. Hope you enjoy the video and talk to you soon.